Hello, mine brothers. And welcome back to a new video. It's that time of the year again where we are gonna swap to summer tires. Sure, there's some snow and good shit left on the ground. But the main roads are just straight asphalt and no ice, and I'm tired of tearing up my treads or my studs in my winter tires. So today is the day we are getting summer tires on. Also, surprise, I got an invoice back from Komplett. Turns out that instead of sending me back my money after I sent my Hero 9 in, they directly upgraded me to a Hero 12, so I have a Hero 12 on the way. Now, as far as I remember, Hero 12 uses different batteries than my Hero 11, or than my Hero 9, 10, 11. So I may have to get some new reserve batteries and shit, but anywho, it means I'll have a battery and don't have to use power bank constantly. Way better quality and hopefully less glitching. I don't know if it comes with a new headband. If not, I gotta buy a new headband because, my god, this headband is so stretched. That unless I take and, or well, I could take and sew it up though. I could take and do that. So I'll maybe do that. Because this one is so schlocky, it's good shit. Hello, I can put you back on the shelf because I put the ISO for CashOS onto this thing because we do have the Linux Mint installed for our whole Linux PC shenanigan. I'll probably still play around a bit more with Linux Mint, but I wanna try CashOS when we get new CPU and good shit for that Mr. Machine. Anywho, what is the plan? The plan now is try and quickly swap Skoru tires and then hit the store, lol, because I need dustpapir, some food, and I haven't had a soda in multiple days, so I'm missing my intake of good shit soda, lol. Don't I have some gloves here? I believe I did. Have like a set of gloves down here. Just laying here. Or did I bring them up, lol? I may have brought them up, lol. So, me don't know if this will only be tire swap Skoru or if this will be more shit, but nonetheless, have a good trip. Come here, my Mr. Tire, which I could use with a respray, but no, I don't remember. I don't remember. Well, there it is. Front left. Okay. So it does say. So then this is rear right. What is klokke? Klokke is 26. Can we get her done in 15? Maybe. If I'm effective about it. It's 2 grader. Normally I prefer to let my car warm up a bit before I start to drive. But RPMs are pretty low to begin with. I wanna give it like 30 sec. Poor engine. That's all I'm saying. Poor fucking engine. Yeah, I know, it doesn't matter, we're only going here to swappa deck. No one is going out at this time anyway, so good skitemetode. The typing took a triple. So we don't know. You are front right, it seems. Maybe. Good shit. Anywho. First, let's get all the tires cracked, lol. And then I gotta get under here and grab the jack, which is good shit. Oh wow, is it in my sock? I'm just gonna start to loosen them all. I'm not gonna loosen them enough that, you know, wheels fall off or whatever, but I'm gonna loosen them so that I can just jack her up and then just have her take a trip. Good shit. There was one here we figured out was front left. I don't know if this one Noen fantastisk spacer, lol. Yeah, that's a lot more place between my brake discs, lol. I think my winter tires are the wrong inner dimension or the in-press is completely out in driving. Oh yeah, you already have your shim in there, because I only have 3 in the back. So that makes sense, lol. Yeah! Skrappy, 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 skrapp. Skrappy, 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 skrapp. Clearance. Not so much clearance, så jeg tror felgene til vinterdekka mine de for tynn inni, egentlig. So that's good to know. It's good shit. May just be støttamper have a good shit. Men my brain is telling me handbrekk is on the way. Which the handbrekk has never been perfect on this car, so I'm not taking that out of the possibility, lol. Oh boy, have a good trip. So yeah, I'm just stopping the decks there. How these rear tires got so stuck, I don't know. Now it's this tire which I don't have no good shit for, so speediest tire change on the block. Oh well, here reaching that store is pretty much to forget about. I have 5 minutes. møssel in the process, tror jeg. Oh, it's good to have those bells and snake eyes in the house. Or shall I say, in the car, Lord? So good shit. Wait, when did he drop this tag? Understand it, we got coffee, bolle and cola because I didn't make the store. Heck. So now I'm just gonna chill and enjoy coffee, so good shit. Oh, it's good fucking shit, det kabel. Så, skrutrekker, en sensor. I did not bring any lampe, which was stupid of me da, men... Oh, it's a beautiful deck. Jeg skal stamme opp buksa mi, kjenner jeg. På grunn av den faen meg good shit. Og det toasty fucking engine, it's good shit. Så, hallo med en skrutrekker. Her det allerede no clips. Må jeg fjerne these clips and then hopefully Ow. Oh well. Instead of catching the clips, I did good shit method. Now, if I remember, I put plastic I put plaster der. I thought I did, lol. I thought I did, but now I just have a comically large band-aid on my hand, lol. Then hello you. Oh well, if I get out that clips, lol, then oh lol, you're almost there, lol. Ah, did you clips in? Ah, dæven, han steker da. Okay, then get in the sensor. Ah, der vi går. Okay, are you clips in? Okay, you are clips in. Good shit. Fy faen. Then we can bend down this shit and get her into her groove, lol. There you go. Hello, you. Den hallå meine gummi which took a trip. Sanger door modul og mer til, lol. Oh well, it's still saying configuration faulty identification and air quality sensor, no communication. That should be fixed. It's still saying clutch pedal sensor faulty signal. I don't have a clutch pedal, so good shit. And then it's complaining about my door mirror motor and my mirror heater signal too high. Have a good trip. I'm gonna show you have a good trip, sure. I am. There you go. One error from CCM. Configuration faulty identification. I don't think so. Advanced. Climate control module. Identification. Nå skal vi høre en høy med motorer gå, lol. Yeah, the identification is happening. Kanskje det vil fjerne Linn 1 og 2 faen meg buss-erroren min, lol. Adapting finished, executed, successfully executed, you say. Okay. Ok, så du klager ikke på Linn nå lenger. Nå siden internal fault på dead. Ok, så Linn-nettverket var nede. Så den fann ikke hele air quality sensoren. Ok, I have fixed my Linn bus. It's fixed now. But yes, my air quality sensor is fucked, so have a good trip, lol. Så hallo, my motor feels more alive, but good fucking shit, lol. I'm not gonna ask. My motor feels more alive. But good fucking shit, lol. I am not asking. Anywho, you guys get the idea. I've been rambling on and doing config and grotte shit. How long have we been going? An hour 23, yeah. So yeah, you guys pretty much got this figured, lol. Hey. So it's like good shit. It's jævlig good shit. Hello there. How the fuck are we doing, you are asking? How we are doing is that the numpad is attached to the keyboard and I have been writing mails half the morning. And I was just at Circle K and grabbed a coffee and at fucking Rema and grabbed 2 Billy's pan pizza. So what is the status? The status is my body decided to be a witch. So I haven't slept since 2 p.m. yesterday. Så it's like good shit. So good shit. The clock is soon 11 a.m. I received a message back from Uno fucking Finance where they were missing some info, well, some papers. They didn't fully understand what I wrote, so they miscalculated good shit. Anywho, I've sent all of them the papers they supposedly need now. So that now I have coffee and pizza. So yeah, we got Chris Una on the Twitch because I haven't been in her streams in ages, lord. So I joined her stream back when she was still in VRChat here last night or whatever. Or earlier in the night. I did. And then I started doing all kinds of shenanigans, like tearing down the whole stereo shenanigan and the amp and shit. Then I started listening through a whole bunch of my ASMR RPs to try and get through some of them. That reminds me, Mr. Headset is fully charged, I think. Oh yeah, headset is fully charged. You gotta love Speedy Boy charging, lol. Because those and some ANC, even though it's not the best ANC in the world, would be handy if I decide to go out in there and do PLC shenanigans, lol. Hallå där. Så vi har vatten. What is the clock? Oh, the clock is 1:41 a.m. And I have been in and out of dreamland about 5 times since like 11:30. So I fell asleep at like 2 to 3 p.m. Woke up at 11:30, decided to continue sleeping. Well, first I was out driving far away, something wherever. Then I was in the city and managed to get stuck in the snow. Then I was out doing some other driving shenanigans or whatever. And then I was at a bar, like fancy bar, like nice wooden tabletops and blah 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 blah. And then like a vacuum with like a sauna and stuff, and apparently they had like androids and shit that was like flirting with me. Don't question what the hell I just dreamt. It was something, but the food and snacks were good, so good shit, lol. So we are back and when I got back from Klara, the lastest reference they have is that Arlactum entered my shit in the end of 24. I believe that the last payment to that got pulled directly from my main account. So that should have been done last year. So I'm gonna send a mail back to them and be like, hello, this is when that happened, this is when that happened, this was when it was pulled manually, and then here is when they pulled directly from my account, which means the last pull for that would have ended in 2025, not the 7th of 2024. So, for reference, the date on the previous clips before here is the 2nd of January 2016, lol, because date fucked itself. We got the Midnight Endless Memories on the radio. And we have Ish Warm Car. Oh, well, RIP subscribe star, lol. Hey. RIP subscribe star, lol. Nothing of what you damn guys are doing is not helping anyone, lol. Like removing something from fiction ain't gonna help solve the problem real life, lol. And you're the same people that's sending shit to hell anyway, so it's like good shit. Anywho, you guys know what I feel about that, so I'm not gonna bother rambling on about it. It's fucked. It always has been fucked. So, that's that, lol. Anywho, we have our GZIA 135.4 and my autopass, because I still haven't gotten more tape. Unbolting said boy at the back, and bringing or Mr. Jose. Or not a Mr. Jose, but a Mr. Ring that's big enough to go onto there. Which, it seems the only one that's big enough I have is Mr. These Boys. Which is way too big, really, but yeah, oh well. He will just 44 the wire a bunch, I guess. Could I stop the car so I don't have to stand and smell exhaust? Yes. And I don't have to stand and smell exhaust. Have a good trip. Hallo, min støvsuger. Because what I'm talking about is Mr. ground wire her. Because I'll just plug in and fix everything back here. And get the amp montert and shit, and then I'll take care of the other stuff later. No one asks, however, why it feels like all of these are loose. Because I think this just kind of got thrown in here, I think. Not actually tightened down. let's probably buy. My goodness, does even this? Oh, well, it does. Oh, jeez. Overwatch indeed, lol. And I don't know. I don't think I have any other place really I can ground this boy to. Or well, I do. I can ground it to that board. So then I can take out this frame without disturbing that ground, lol. So good shit there. Så good shit. Hello, my Mr. Ground. It was nice seeing you today, lol. Ah, well, kinda destroyed it, but well. There's a handsome more. And yeah, this was like the 3 self-tappers I had, so the amp was always only held in by 3 mer self-tappers.
And then part 2. I have no idea if this silly idea I'm coming up with will work, but we're gonna find out together, everyone. Also, can y'all hear me? Because, like,
No, they have not fixed it, so I do need to go through that converter, I do.
I put like a single thing of tape, right? Like on each string,
Fuck me.
like double-sided tape. But this time what I did is I put like a whole strip of Velcro. And then
Why, Pioneer? Why can't you just isolate the outputs? It's not that hard.
really good grip. And then I put a thing of Velcro.
So I guess we're still using that crop screw converter, and then I just gotta get a better one, and then I just hope that the voltage of this thing is able to keep up. Because it has a lot more line voltage, so maybe it will be able to get through that filter without completely destroying the rest of the RCA signals. Okidoki, ampen inn igjen, bakre kanal har kjørt gjennom filter, my phone is on the way. Og så framre kanal er rett inn, gain er stratte opp, it is. Og honestly, det høres ut som subben, med tanke på hvor mye mer line level det er på Mr. Head-uniten her, sammenlignet med faen meg andre Head-uniten, så virker det som om Mr. Oh my god, hallo? Mindboy? Der, ja. Så virker det som om den klarer det mer da, eller at den klarer å pushe gjennom subben selv med det filteret der. Og det hørtes ut som den var suttet ganske greit, speakerne honestly, halvveis, så min kobling etter bak her i sudden skal ut. Nå er det bare å rydde opp framme. For det fortsatt in pieces and good shit. Now, hallo, min støvsuger. Not today, lol. Du har coming Vitus home, lol. Her også. Hallo? Unnskyld meg. Jeg kødda ikke når jeg sa at nede i skiten faen meg akkurat passer inn i her. I wasn't joking, vet du. Så der har vi biltema Spikkervoier, have a good trip, som må faen meg fores ut derfra. It is. Men I have everything up front nå, som vil si at alt baki ferdig. So good. What's the clock? Klokka 6:15. I am gonna piss. Så skal jeg flytte meg på skoleparkeringa på grunn av klokka halv begynner folk å dukke opp, de som jobber i barnehagen, så good shit. Så, headuniten Grantering spiller ikke noe nå, men den føles allerede veik holdere ut enn hva det den gjorde når den prøvde å kjøre ting av interne ampen. Så derfor jeg tror du sa at din var kål som whatever, på grunn av at du ikke brukte interne ampen. Så det blir sikkert til å være kjøligere den her til meg nå som vi går tilbake for å få meg selv av forsterkeren. Så, good shit metode, lol. Jeg skal få koblet her, så må jeg tilbake til huset og hente i strips. For fy faen, it's carnage bak her. Så, I am back and I am here to end off the video. I am. Fucking hard drive, be good shit. Do I have my diluted fuel recipe? No. Den skal again. Me back home with that. I want to really say thank you guys for watching as I want to start a new video because we have interesting stuff. And then next video should be we do phone score method, have a good trip, fix the screen and stuff for my S22, and then the video after that should be a good shitty camera and car, have a great trip. So hey, so look forward to that. But with that I want to say thank you guys for watching, hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did love, you get appreciated, and as always, check out links down below for my socials and all of that. And until further notice, stay tuned, stay awesome, and next round, the heck out of it.